Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. I'm so happy to show you the new eyeshadow palette from Holiday 24 collection by Dior. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please take a moment to subscribe and don't forget to follow me also on Instagram, where I upload quite daily makeup news. This is the eyeshadow palette Soir de Bal, and it's the coolest one from this Holiday 24 makeup collection. So it's the one with the silver in the center, and we have a violet shade, a purple, not particularly purple but quite reddish pink tone. So we have this brown shade and also this ivory pink. That's definitely a very beautiful shades because he has some pink shimmering effect. So if you follow me on Instagram, and if you have seen some shorts I uploaded here on YouTube, you can see I have posted the whole makeup collection by Dior and also the makeup looks. So we have basically two makeup looks based on the two eyeshadow palettes. So we have one about the warm, quite reddish tones, and the other one is based on silver shade. So the coolest one, silver look. And you can see also the shades combined to the lipstick or nail polish. So the Dior Holiday collection is absolutely stunning. I love it, and it's very evocative, so perfect for holiday season. It really embraces the holiday spirit, in my opinion, so with these golden silver reflections, and it's also a little bit sparkling. We have sparkling lipstick, we have a little bit of sparkling effect in the eyeshadow. So in this case I went for the silver makeup look because I love cool tones, and in particular I love the silver tones that you release during holiday season. I love the lipstick combined to this eyeshadow palette. Unfortunately it was out of stock when I purchased this palette, and so I want to combine a similar shade. This is Sunday Matinee by Lisa Eldridge with 1C lip pencil, Sculpt and Shade, always by Lisa. And I love the golden case we have in this limited edition, so it's very stylish and quite unique. I love the color story of this eyeshadow palette, and I loved also the makeup look. So I'm wearing the nail polish from Autumn collection by Dior. This is Triomphe, and if you're interested in this eyeshadow palette and the makeup look I created, in the second part of this video, now I can show you the swatches of the eyeshadow palette and we create together the makeup look. So let's see the second part. So let's start from this brown. It's a satin brown shade. I'm filming with artificial light because it's getting too dark here, and yeah, this is the shade. So consider this when you see the swatches. It's very pigmented. And then let's move to this violet shade. So it's very cool and it's sudden. Close to the shade I could see some very tiny micro glitters. Let's see this purple. Could be more a magenta shade, instead it looks like reddish purple. Has a little bit more glitters. Now let's move to this lightest shade. Looks beautiful. It's a sort of ivory pink, white, very cool. It has micro glitters and they are pink. Let's move to this silver shade. It's like to be my favorite one, so let's place it here. Oh, so pretty. I love this silver tone. So luminous, so beautiful. So this is a metallic shade, my opinion, with almost some micro glitters. And also the other shade have very tiny micro glitters. And I want to start applying this silver shade on the lid. Oh, so beautiful. I love it. So pretty. The sponge applicator is even more pigmented. We have these glitters, you can see it. Looks like a liquid eyeshadow, but it's not. It's so brilliant, you see. And apply on the other lid. And let's apply the violet. Oh, this violet is so pretty because it's not too intense, and as you can see, it really helps to create a shadow. And you know, the shadows are naturally bluish. The shade with the gray bluish tone light are perfect to mimic the shadow effect, and in this case, you see, you can sculpt a little bit your eyes according to the silver tone, so nothing too harsh. I don't know if the term sidereal is something that we can use also in English. In Italian it looks like a siderale, and it's the combination of these two shades really create these very cool shadows. And definitely it has some glitters, some micro sparkles, very gentle. It's a very luminous palette so far. It really can lift your look with a small amount of eyeshadow. So now let's try to add a touch of this purple. So probably over the violet you obtain a sort of reflection. So the red tones over a violet probably wouldn't show so much as in this case, but it helps to add a little bit more warmth, so the whole look would seem more natural, because it's like your pink tone of the skin that shows off. With the sponge applicator I take the brown and I add a bit here. It's not so intense, this brown, so probably the shade to add depth is the violet shade. Instead, this brown could be matched with this purple to create a more definition. So I mean that this brown over this violet has a minimal impact. you see. You can use it on the lower lashes a bit, but consider it's shimmering, and it moves towards a sort of, yeah, I don't know how to call it. It's not a real brown, but it has also some pink reflections. The whole effect on the eye is very luminous and pretty to wear during the holiday, or probably also during an occasion, a day-night occasion. You could love this palette to wear during the day, probably if you use this more natural combination, or also if you like to add a silver touch on the center of the lid, so it really depends on you. I think that even the yeah, silver and violet together by themselves is a very lovely combo. Probably the silver overcomes a little bit because it's a metallic shade, so it depends if you are used to wear some kind of metallic shade during the day. So I want to try the white pink here. Now this is a beautiful, yeah, pinky shade, but consider it's very glittery, so probably not the right place to put it here. I should use it here. Oh, I love it. This is very lovely because I don't know if you can catch it. Once applied with your fingers, the pink component really shows off. Very pretty. Looks like this is a highlighter by Chanel. I don't know if you have it. So that looks white, but instead it's a sort of pinky highlighter, and I'm wearing now also on my skin, so it really matches this kind of highlighter, and I really love the white highlighter that turns into pink. So one of my favorite kind of highlighter. So this eyeshadow has really this property, so if you love it, you can use it also as an highlighting touch here. Line my eyes with this black eye pencil. This is a DIOR Shop Stilo in matte black. My mascara. So for the lips, I wanna apply Sunday Matinee by Lisa Eldridge. Let me define it a bit with 1C Sculpt and Shade lip pencil, always by Lisa Eldridge. I love this lip pencil, and of course the lipstick shade, I love it. I'm wearing a touch of this Chanel blush. I'm adding just to show you a little bit more, and this highlighter that, as I told you, looks really like the pink eyeshadow by DIOR, so you can use it also a bit on the temple here. And this is the makeup look. So I went a little bit darker with my hair, so probably also the color shows a little bit more. So this is the makeup look I created. using the new DIOR eyeshadow palette from Holiday 24 collection. So I hope this video could be helpful for you. Let me know your impressions and see you soon. Bye!